Two women had too much to drink and that's what happened. The police had to take action against those in the car and it took some time. Have a good time.
Stop doing again. You know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ma'am, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. 4120, code 4, signal 1. Ma'am, I do not care.
Right.
Okay?
My friends live at the inn, and they were going to rent the place, and so
okay.
we're going to move their plant.
Do me a favor, step out of the car. Turn off the vehicle and step out.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything crazy in the car?
No.
Okay, ma'am, I'm talking to her, not you. Step over here.
Yes, sir.
Step right to the front of this car. How much you had to drink today?
I had a drink at overseas, and we were coming. Well, two drinks.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me explain something. There's somebody who's been behind you. Stay in the car.
That's
Shut the door right now and stay in the car.
That's my neighbor that lives in. We live in Grassy Key.
Okay.
But
Let me explain something.
Yes, yes, sir.
A car got behind you all the way back about 99th Street by the airport, okay? They've been behind you the entire time. You've been reported as all over the road. I then pull into here, you pull out of Tom Thumb without even paying attention to oncoming traffic. Then you pull into here, make a wide right-hand turn, you're driving in the, you're driving in the grass.
Right.
I light you up all the way at the top of the street, then you continue to drive down the street.
You know, I know that doesn't mean but I was like, my friend was trying to teach me how to back.
Stay in the car. Shut the door now. Stop. Just stay right here.
Okay.
Ma'am, if I have to tell you to stop doing again, you know what? Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Ma'am, turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
What am I doing?
Stop.
Hey, please.
Stop.
I'm so sorry.
Stop.
It's
Stop.
just the fact that there's no...
Ma'am, stay right there. Don't move.
There's no hair on the car.
You're throwing out of the car.
I did not.
Okay, where'd that come from? 4120. I have one detained. Can you have my back up? Step it up a little bit.
I'm so sorry. It's not that.
Ma'am, do you have anything on you? Just come put me.
It's really
Stop.
not. It's really not.
Have a seat.
Please,
Have a seat.
kids.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Don't move. Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car. No, you're not sorry.
Not bad.
No, you're not sorry.
No,
Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car.
Okay.
You're this close to me taking you to jail. Just shut your mouth and let me do my job. Put your leg in the car.
May I talk? My friends live.
You don't have to hold the air. Clear the air. I got one detained in the car. I'm back dealing with the driver now. Code 5. Okay.
Okay. So, my friends live at the inn. They were moving into the other house.
Okay.
And so they have plants, and we were going to put them on like a little, rolly thing.
Okay.
To move them to there, and so that was it. She's just my neighbor that lives in Grassy Key.
Okay.
And I'm sorry, I don't have to.
Hold on one second.
Please.
There we go. Ma'am, shut your mouth.
Please, I'm really going to...
Shut your mouth. All right. Here's my question for you.
Yes, sir.
You're operating a vehicle.
Right.
It's very clear to me that you have had way too much to drink today.
Okay.
Okay, you're slurring your speech. I can smell it on you. Your driving pattern. That being said, are you willing to do some standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief you were under the influence?
Well, I can go ahead and be 100% that I'm under the influence. But
Okay.
I can go ahead and tell you that I live 2 streets. I mean, not 2 streets, but 2 blocks.
What street are we on right now?
We're on 27th.
Okay.
Right here.
Okay.
My friends live at the inn, and they're moving.
Okay, you're not understanding my question here.
Right. Whatever you need me to do,
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Hey, ma'am.
I'm claustrophobic, I'm sorry.
Okay, you're under arrest for obstruction and destruction of evidence. Okay, then.
I'm claustrophobic, please.
Okay. I'm good. Oh, Sarge, you help me lay this out real quick?
Absolutely.
Shit.
point. I can see it from here. Yeah.
While walking, keep your eyes on your feet at all times. Keep your arms down at your sides and count your steps out loud.
Okay.
Do not stop once you've already begun, okay? If you step off the line, step back on and continue counting, okay? You may begin when you're ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch.
Remember that turn that I showed you and then 9 steps back.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just want to make sure that that's okay. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. All right, last thing I'm going to ask you to do, face me right here.
Yes, sir.
Come here, face me. All right, put your feet together and your arms on your sides like this, okay?
Yes,
when
sir.
I tell you to begin, only when I tell you to begin, you're going to take your left or your right foot, whichever one, doesn't matter, whatever you choose. You're going to lift that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground. It's about the size of a Coke can, okay? While doing this, hold on, stop, like this. But don't start until I tell you to. While doing this, you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. If anytime you put that foot down, pick it right back up, continue counting where you left off. So if I was on 3, it's going to be 1004.
So,
Okay.
you ready?
Hold on. While doing this, keep your eye on your toe at all times. Keep your arms down at your side and count out loud. Do not stop once you've begun, okay? Okay, listen, like this. We're not standing like Karate Kid. We're standing like this, okay?
Right, yes.
All right?
Yes, sir.
You may begin. Arms down at your sides, okay?
Okay. I like right foot. Is that
Whichever foot. I told you, your left or your right.
1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I don't have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
Yes, ma'am.
You're under arrest for driving under the influence. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What's going to happen from this point forward, we're going to go to the station. I'm going to ask you for a lawful sample of your breath. If you do not provide your breath, your license will automatically be suspended for a period of 1 year.
Right.
Once you give that response, it will be read to you verbatim if you choose not to submit to a breath test. Do you understand?
Right. Well, you have to have a blood test.
I don't have to have anything. I have enough probable cause to arrest you right now.
Well, I understand.
Okay?
I understand. I'm not trying to be hard to get.
I got you. You see the shoe? You want to put your shoes back on for me?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay.
I mean, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I understand.
Put your shoes on for me.
Well, that's not right.
Deputy Marino. Would he mind doing a BTO for me?
Yeah, we're taking this one in too?
Yeah, I'm taking her.
Okay, where are you from?
What's your question? What did you do wrong? What did you do wrong?
What did I do wrong?
What did you do wrong? Okay.
What did
okay,
I
hold
do
on.
wrong?
From the get-go, from the moment you were stopped, you're not listening to what I'm telling you to do. You open
I
the
listen
shut up.
to you.
Shut up. You want me to
Hey.
shut in the car?
Tell me shut up.
Shut up.
Go ahead.
I just did.
Put your hands.
Get in the car.
Put your
Get in the
hands.
car. In the car.
Go
Get
ahead.
in the car.
Go
Jesus
ahead.
Christ.
I'm giving you a
Why?
lawful order. This is inside.
Why? Why? Why?
This one's gonna be an issue.
Yeah, I know she is.
Just readjust. She just needs her cuffs
Literally, he's
readjusted.
been breaking on the brakes
They hurt.
and shoving my face against the wall.
Sure. Right. Just like I raped you too, right? Step back.
Yes, sir.